Hello everyone, my name is Imran and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to create a drop-down menu in Shopify. It's a step-by-step tutorial, so let's get started. First of all, you just need to log into your Shopify account, and on the left side, you will see online store. Just click on this, and under online store, you will see navigation menu. Just click on this option. Here you can see we have an option for menus, right? We have footer menu and main menu. Just click on this option. So this is how my main menu items looks like right now. These are the three items, and if I go to my store, you can see over here. So if I want to create a drop down menu, how I can do that? Let's say I want to add a new menu item. Click on this option, name anything over here. So I'm just going to write demo and make sure to search or paste a link over from over here. So how I can do that? I'm gonna go to my collection and select my collection of electronics and click on add. Once I click on that, you can see that I have created a menu item over here. And if I want to add this in my catalog, how I can do that? Just drag that above and make sure to put this beneath catalog. And after that, what you need to do is just grab this and take this forward. Once you do that, leave it and you can see that we have created our drop-down menu. If I click on this arrow, you can see it's in my drop-down menu now. And you can add multiple menu items through here. You don't need to do later on like drag and drop and then do the sideways. You just can create new menu items under that drop down menu. That's it. This is all you need to know how to create a drop down menu in Shopify. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.